right, guys, here we are, blazing blue, over at Hartman Racing, St. Rose, Louisiana. Got the car up on the lift, and as you can see, they're getting ready to get to it. So here we go. Factory cats, exhaust manifolds. I don't know how good you can see in there, but getting ready to say bye-bye. And as you can see right here, Kooks long tubes are in motion. So we'll be back. Stay tuned. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Say hello to Don and Kyron while you're at it. And we'll be back. All right, guys, here we go. Finished product. Let's take a look. See what we got here. So, vibrant defowlers. That's a part number 19019 for you guys looking for something to hopefully keep the check engine lights from happening. Right here was where the factory step down was. So the X pipe is 3-inch. This was a choke down point to a 2.5-inch, and then back to a 3-inch into the factory exhaust. So as you can see, no cats. This would have been catalytic converter right here. Look in there, you can see pretty good. That's the Kooks long tubes installed. Did not get a video of the installation, unfortunately, because I didn't do this. Don Hartman with Hartman Racing installed these for me. I was busy at work. So, but we got it all done. Everything's installed. Getting ready to give it a start up, cold start. First start since the headers are installed. While it was here, went ahead and did the Steeda springs as well. So hopefully that gets us the right ride height and gives a little lower center of gravity. So stay tuned, we'll be back with more. All right, guys, we're back from Hartman Racing. Don installed the Kooks long tube headers. We got the Corsa Xtreme cat back with the double X pipe on here. This thing is crazy loud, so I'm actually standing across the street. Let's see. You guys can see him across the street. Gonna start this thing up with a cold start just to stay away a little bit. Hopefully the noise from the cold start's not gonna drown out the speakers and not let you guys actually hear it. But again, like I said, this thing is insanely loud from a cold start. It settles down decently, and then you can obviously change the modes, but I think it's louder than I expected. So go ahead and give it a cold start and a remote rev or two, let you guys hear it, see what you think. So here we go. As you can tell, it definitely settles down a good bit after the cold start, but it's definitely loud, extremely loud. So much so that I'm almost afraid to start the car at certain times of the day or night, because I don't know if the neighbors are gonna get extremely pissed off. So, but anyway, we give it a remote rev, let you guys hear it. Let's see. Yeah, so sounds pretty good, just extremely loud, maybe a little louder than what I was expecting or hoping for. So we're gonna do a little driving, check it out, and I guess I'll just decide over the next few weeks if I like it. It's too loud for me. I'm already kind of thinking about possibly changing out the Corsa Xtreme and going to a Corsa Sport and maybe tone it down just a little bit. I really didn't, I guess, have any idea how much the long tube headers with no cats were going to wake this thing up. So stay tuned and we'll be back. Alright guys, we're in the car now. Give you a couple of revs. So this is in normal mode. Kooks long tubes, no cats, Corsa Xtreme catback, normal mode right here. Now I'm gonna go to sport mode and give you a couple of revs. Sports, I feel like sports noticeably louder, so here we go. And then we're gonna do the same thing in drag strip mode. Alright, here we go. That's the three modes. Windows down, just sitting still in the car. Now we're gonna take it for a little ride with the windows up and see what it sounds like. So this is normal. Still a lot more noticeable, a lot more louder than it was without the long tubes, and obviously much more so than the stock was. I'm gonna get out here on the highway. Give it a little go. I'm not gonna smash it to the floor, but I'm gonna get on it a little bit. Then we're gonna go down, turn around, and I'm gonna put it in sport and do the same thing. That's pretty much how I drive the car anyways, either normal or sport. Let's see what this guy's doing. What the hell is he doing? Y'all ever seen one of those before? Lord. So as you can tell, even in normal mode, this thing is loud. And then, you know, if you set the cruise or you just kind of stay at a steady speed, like right now I'm cruising at 70, and it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But all you gotta do is give it a little bit of gas like this, and you wake up the beast. So I'm not sure, you know, how I feel about it just yet. I've only had it back a couple of days. Really haven't driven the car until today. Today's Saturday. You know, I've been working a lot, so I haven't had time to mess with the car much. So I want to drive it a little bit and see what I think. But I do think that I'm definitely thinking about ordering the Corsa Sport, swapping them out, driving it for a little while. I'll probably drive this for a couple of weeks, order Sport, put those on, and see what I think. I think those are going to be a little bit more mellow. Probably a little more what I'm looking for, I think. But we'll see. I'm going to go up here and turn around in a minute and then put it in sport. Let you hear that. And then we'll go from there. So just stand by a second. Get a little ways down before we take off. Go ahead and put it in sport right now. Alright, looks like the coast is clear for a minute, so here we go. This is sport. RPMs drop down to around 2,000 or even less. I mean, it's plenty bearable. It's not like it's running you out of the car. somebody, you better increase your volume, to say the least. So it's definitely a big difference from having just the Xtreme or, you know, from stock. So I don't know, like I said, I may play around with it a little bit. Who knows? I may end up even putting some sort of a resonator. I know Corsa sells some resonators, or maybe even going with the Kooks catted connection pipes. I don't know how much sound difference that makes. I'm gonna try to do a little search on the internet, see what I can find if anybody's done it, just to see what the difference is, and if it's that noticeable. And then you know, we'll see. I'm gonna drive it like this for a few weeks, and then may change it up a little bit just to see what I like better, and I'll go from there. So if you guys like the video, smash that like button, subscribe to